Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English class and I am your teacher Miss Shazeen. Today our topic is conjunctions. Now take out page number 151. Conjunctions. Conjunction is a word that joins two words or two phrases together. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or. Some other common conjunctions are yet, for, nor, so. There are different conditions when we have to apply each of the conjunction, and we have to look up the sentence and then we will decide which conjunction will come in this sentence. We use and when we are talking about two things. For example, I like chocolate ice cream and I like vanilla ice cream. So here we are talking about two things, so we will put and here. We use but when we are comparing about two things. For example, we are talking about two girls, right? One is I am tall, but my sister is short. So here we are comparing about two girls. The one is taller one and the other is shorter. So we use but when we are comparing about something. We use comma before a conjunction. Similarly, a comma is used when we are talking about more than two things. For example, in the example of page number 151, we need flour, sugar, batter, vanilla, an egg, and chocolate chips for the recipe. So we use conjunction at the end of the clause. Now here you have a choice. If you want to use comma before the conjunction, you can use it. But if you don't want to use it, then you have to stay consistent on what you are doing. You are putting the comma before the conjunction or not. Now on page number 151, read the sentences below, circle the conjunctions. Now here you have to circle all the conjunctions which are joining two sentences together. After that, take out page number 152. Here you have to use and to join two sentences. For example, number one is Sam put on his coat, full stop, he went outside. Now there are two sentences of a similar person. So now we have to use and instead of full stop and then we will complete the sentence. After that, take out page number 153. Here again you have to join the sentences using the conjunction and. For example, number one is Mom went to the kitchen, full stop, she made a cup of tea. Now here you will have to put and instead of full stop and complete the sentence. After that, take out page number 154. Here you have two conjunctions and but. You have to read the sentence and tick the correct conjunction which is fitting in the sentence properly. We use and when we are talking about two things and we use but when we are comparing about something. On this page, you have to tick the correct conjunction. After that, take out page number 155. On this page, you have to complete the sentences using your own imagination. Now, here a half sentence is written and it ends on the conjunction. And after the conjunction, you have to complete the sentence using your own imagination. Now, complete this page number 155. Now, I hope you understand what are conjunctions. Thank you.